Hi guys, welcome back to another product review video by Daniel and John. And John's holding some soft-sided plant pots made by GardenGloss. It's 5 pieces and they're 60 litres each. They came from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. And they come in this nice box. I'm just making this video just in case you're thinking about buying them yourself. You want to know what the quality's like.
Normally we do the video on the allotment, but it's absolutely...
It's raining today, so we can't really do it.
This is how they've arrived. It has some outer packaging. So, as is, let's see what we've got.
So very well packed.
2, 3, 4, 5. We'll pull one out and see what we're dealing with.
So basically they're flat packed, aren't they, when you get them, but then you just push them out when you want to use them. So they've got a thick fabric, it's all very well stitched. You've got like a green accent stitch going up the sides and the top.
I think this is called over.
And it's really strong stitching.
Oh. Yeah, very
They've
strong.
got 2 carry handles made out of some webbing.
Stitch there and then a cross stitch, and at the bottom. Yeah, good quality bags. Ideal for fruit bushes or plants, ideal.
And they're quite deep, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
So that's
deep.
how deep they are.
I mean, there's a leg.
So you can see how much soil you can get in there. And the good thing about these is you can move them around. So what are we planning to do with these?
Right, we're going to pop some fruit bushes in. And the reason, and this is going to go in our fruit cage if people have been watching.
We'll show that in later videos.
But the reason we've decided to put them in bags and not in the ground, 2 reasons. Our allotment is a bit stony, so we can't do that. The other reason is something like blueberries need more acidic soil. So if you've got your bags and your bushes, you can tailor the soil to what you're growing in them, a bit like the raised beds, and that's really what we've done. They're obviously easy to move around as well, so if you want to change position of them, etc., or you move or do something, they're ideal for that. But I'd say, can't remember how much these were. I think they were
£30 odd for 5.
and it seems quite expensive, that, but they have gone up, and they are 60 litre bags, so just bear that in mind.
You can plant quite a bit of stuff in that.
Yeah,
you could plant, like we're going to use it for fruit bushes, but I mean you could plant potatoes in there, carrots.
I mean, we have folded other ones down before just to
you can also do that, like John says.
They're ideal for anything, and if you're on an allotment as well, and you need to safeguard your things, you could move these in or move them in.
We're putting them in a fruit cage, aren't we?
You could have them out during the day and then put them somewhere safe at night, sort of thing. So yeah, good idea. The other thing with these, you could just put some netting over them as well, which might not be a bad idea. Some bamboos in there we planted up, some netting over. Might work.
You could do whatever you wanted to.
In essence, what I'm trying to say, they're quite a versatile addition to any garden or allotment.
And they're good quality as well, which is important. So
they'll
last.
They are good quality.
And if you water them, the water should just seep through the bottom of the fabric.
It's self-draining basically, I guess.
Yeah, that's the other advantage with this, instead of just a plastic pot.
And when you finish with them, you can just fold them back up and put them away, which is quite good.
Yeah, and you can brush them down, wash them, whatever you want to do.
And if you've got a spare one, use it for...
And you can also use them for carrying things around as well.
Yeah,
you can just put bits in and carry them.
Yeah, and they're strong, they're real strong.
Yeah.
You can do shopping with them, there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you want to subscribe, we'd appreciate it. And click that like button, it does help us along a little bit, thank you.